Hi, Dan with Sharpening Supplies. Today we're talking about the 12-inch XL double-sided paddle strop. This is an excellent way to both finish your edges and to keep them in the best possible condition as long as possible. So this is our best-selling strop, solid maple body, has two sides. We have a suede leather side and we have a smooth leather side, both premium leather. 12 inches by 3 inches is the actual stropping surface, so there's plenty of room on this strop for almost any knife you want to throw at it. So the way we usually use these is in conjunction with the green honing compound. And here I have a strop that I've already loaded up with some. Usually load the suede side with the green compound. You do that, just treat it like it's a big crayon. Just rub some of the compound onto the suede. Once you've done that, very simple to use. Put your knife on it. I recommend using the same angle that you sharpened your knife at. Very light pressure, and always move away from the cutting edge on the leather. Few light strokes on the side with the compound, and then finish up with a few light strokes, again always going away from the cutting edge on the plain leather. And I think you'll find that using a strop can be very enjoyable, and again, a great way to keep your knife in the sharpest possible condition as long as possible. See the 12-inch XL double-sided paddle strop and any of our other options, check out our website, sharpeningsupplies.com.